In this video, I will give you an introduction to working with pages in Neets Project Designer. I will show you how to add buttons to the master page, how to add a new page, how to rename a page, and how to delete a page, and finally how to add page turn functions to the buttons. In the Interface Designer work area, you find your different pages to the left. First, I will make this area slightly larger, so we can navigate better. Next, we need to add some buttons that we can use to navigate from page to page. We can add the buttons to the master page, so they are shown on every slide. I will first add a line. And drag it to the bottom of the page. Below the line I will add some text. To the right you have the properties for the text. Here I will change the font type. And then change the text to Pages. Next we change the color of the text. And adjust the size. Next, hold Ctrl down on your keyboard, and click on the line. And the text. Now we can align the text below the line by selecting Align Center. Now we can add the page buttons. First, a page button for the input page. We call the button Input and set the offset, font, and size. The color we set to gray. And we can drag the first button into place. We do the same for the second button. Here we can use the lights button. Now that we have the page buttons available, we can create another page. So click on the Create button. When creating a new page, then you need to give it a name. Now you see the new page in the list to the left. Now we can add elements to this page. Over the table we will add a button that can control the lights. Now that we have one button, we can copy and paste another. First press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and then Ctrl+V. Now we have a copy of the button that we can drag into place. This page is now complete. But you can add more if you like. Just click on the Create button and give the page a name. And you have a new page. If you would like to rename the page, then click on Rename and enter a new name. You can rename any new page that you add, but you can't rename the default pages. To delete a page, make sure it has been selected, and then press the Delete button. The page has now been deleted. We now have the light page and the main page ready. And we now need to be able to switch between the pages. This is done in Assign functions. The page turn should be added to the two page buttons. These are placed on the master page, so you need to select that page. You find the jump page function in the list of functions to the left. Drag jump page to the first button and choose what page to jump to. Next, drag jump page to the second button and select the light page. The page buttons are now ready, and they will jump between the light page and the main page. That is how you can work with pages in Neets Project Designer. Thanks for watching. Find more information on neets.dk.